Hey guys, I know I haven't shared with you my current purchases for my skincare, and today I'm doing that. I want to share with you what I've been using, the current skincare. I currently started using Nivea products, the Event So Night Cream. I think I'm loving this night cream because the first one is gone. I used this one and the outcome is just noticeable within a few months. So I got this one for all skin types. When I'm buying new products, especially for the skin, like if the product has night and day cream, I'm going to buy one type at a time so that if they're not working, at least I'll not have wasted money on all the products. So for the Nivea, the first time I got this Event So Night Cream, and this is so good, and also I've repurchased it again because I love the outcome. Initially, most of the products, you're going to notice the change within 3 months. So it depends. The skin tone is brighter and more radiant. Dark marks are visibly reduced. Skin feels soft and smooth. Visibly more even and radiant skin. So guys, let's get to the next skincare product which I just got. So I also got this Nivea. This is Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone 3-in-1 Micellar water. I want to try their micellar for the first time, and I got this from Nivea, and so far so good with this one, and I love it. Like, it leaves you feeling so smooth after you use it to remove your makeup. So I got this sunscreen. This is the body sunscreen. I know I've seen a few people use it on their skin. Anyway, for me, I use this one on my body, face. I'm just trying this out, and it's not like it always leaves residue. Sun protect and moisture. So guys, the next one is this Nivea Shine Control Mattifying Effect Sun. So this Nivea Sun, I also love this one. Yeah, not bad. I love it on my face. The next one is this Simple Soothing Facial Toner. I love Simple product. This one is 100% alcohol free, and I will repurchase this one. So good. After I'm done with this one, I feel like I should also try Nivea toner. I got these cotton pads. I got these ones for removing makeup.